You know what hurts the most? Watching someone break your heart and then act like you were the problem. That kind of pain changes people. It makes you question yourself, your worth, sometimes even your faith. And honestly, a lot of us have stayed awake at night wondering, God, did you even see what they did to me? But here's the thing. God sees everything. Every lie, every betrayal, every silent tear nobody else noticed. And I think one of the hardest lessons in life is learning to let God handle people who hurt us, because human nature wants revenge. We want people to feel the same pain they caused us, but revenge doesn't really heal you. It just keeps the wound open longer. That's why I believe God often works differently than we expect. Sometimes he doesn't punish people instantly. Sometimes he simply removes peace from their life. And trust me, a person can fake happiness online, but they cannot fake peace in private. Meanwhile, while you're sitting there wondering why your life fell apart, God is quietly rebuilding you. That's the part we don't notice right away. The pain changes you, but so does healing. Slowly you start becoming stronger, wiser, more careful with who you trust. And one day, you realize something strange happened. The anger isn't controlling you anymore. You don't replay the betrayal every night anymore. You stop needing revenge to feel okay. That's healing. And honestly, I think that's one of the biggest signs God stepped into the situation. Because when God heals your heart, he gives you peace people can't take away. And sometimes, while God is healing you, the truth about the other person starts revealing itself naturally. You don't even have to expose them. People eventually see the manipulation, the lies, the fake behavior. Because truth has a way of coming to light over time. And maybe that's why God tells us to be patient. Not because justice will never happen, but because he sees things we don't. He knows every hidden motive, every hidden action. Nothing escapes him. So if someone hurt you recently, don't let bitterness turn you into someone you're not. Don't lose your softness, don't lose your faith, and don't destroy your own peace trying to get revenge. Give it to God, heal, move forward, and let God handle the rest. Because sometimes the greatest victory is becoming happy again after everything tried to destroy you. And if your heart's been carrying pain lately, just know this. God saw it all, and he hasn't forgotten you.